Dollar Tree may be raising their prices again. So in today's video, I'm going to share the items from Dollar Tree that are still worth picking up, even if those prices go all the way up to maybe $7. If that sounds up your alley, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I share new videos like this every single week. But let's head to Dollar Tree. Let's start off today's video with home decor because that is my specialty. First, we have these peel and stick tile decals. Now, these are really great. Of course, they're $1.25 right now a piece, and I would not invest in something like this for like a big project, but say you have a bar area and you want to do like a little backsplash, or you have a small powder room, this is where you're going to get the best bang for your buck. I actually feel like they hold up super well. I've used them in my own home before. They didn't hurt my ceiling or anything like that, but again, you only get one in the pack, so this is something I'd only probably do on a smaller scale. I especially love the one that looks like a tin ceiling. These tiles are even selling in a place like Our House Peel and Stick right now, and they are hundreds of dollars, so this is a wonderful deal. Now, this is a newer Dollar Tree item, or at least newer to me, and these are the little ceramic trays. They come in 3 different shapes and sizes, and I think these are really great for your jewelry at the end of the night. If you need somewhere to put your jewelry, if you need some place to put your keys, if you want a little tray for your candles, this is going to be a really great option for you, and it's just a neutral color, so no matter what your design style is, this is going to be functional. Now, if you want something a little bit more robust, I just found these at my Dollar Tree, and these are worth honestly $5, $10 even. So these are these gold platters. They come in gold and silver. I only brought home the gold, and I think that these are so cute. So this is metal wall decor. It does come with a hook on the back, and if you've been on a website like Uttermost or Forehand, you'd see these kind of arranged together in like a wall sculpture, and those are hundreds of dollars. So these are only $1.25 a piece. Again, at most they'd be $7. So this is a great way to DIY some sort of 3D textural wall decor that would look really high end. And when you look at this, you can see there are no imperfections. They spray painted this beautifully, and you can just put this on your tabletop if you don't want to do decor, and put candles on it, put rings on it, keys, same thing as that other ceramic tray. Dollar Tree has always had fantastic glassware. Now, I do not like the ones that already have the text on them, to be honest. If you want glassware with text on it, you're better off kind of like DIYing it yourself. You can get vinyl really affordably from Dollar Tree. Peel and stick vinyl, you can just DIY it using materials at home. You don't even need a Cricut, or if you have a Cricut, you can do it that way. But I just feel like I want the text to say something that's kind of niche instead of like, happy birthday, Mark. Like, who's Mark? Why is Mark on this vase? I don't know Mark. But they're more hammered glassware. They're simple glassware, $1.25 to $7. That is so much cheaper than like a glass you'd get anywhere. I especially love this one, this like hammered textured look. It actually looks like a collection from Crate and Barrel. I would probably skip out on most of like your plates and things like that. The flatware in general, I'd probably skip out on because it bends really easily. But they do have this brand new plate collection that really reminds me of this new Williams Sonoma collection. It is blue and white, really perfect for the spring and summer if you're in traditional interiors or farmhouse interiors, or even just like more elevated like French contemporary interiors. This is a really great set. Now, if you love to drink your coffee on the go, which I do, and you don't like the price of those Starbucks cups, which they're $25 a piece, you're gonna love these. So they also sell these at Walmart, but for around like $5 to $6. These are $1.25 at Dollar Tree right now. I found them at the front of my store. They come in 4 different colors, and they're so good. I've put mine through the dishwasher, I've drank out of it, and it is comparable to like one of those designer cups. Can you believe for this $1.25 price? I got the white iridescent one and the blue one, and they also have these little glass tumblers in 4 different colors as well. I thought these were going to be classic. They are glass. You've seen me feature these from Amazon before with the bamboo lids, but this has a plastic lid on it. I think this is great for like a kid's birthday party or like a bachelorette party or something like that, or if you just want more vibrant glassware this summer. Next, let's chat DIY supplies, because Dollar Tree is still one of the best places you go, and it doesn't matter how high they hike up those prices. So first we have these felt pads. I've spoken about these before, but these are great for putting on the bottoms of like your vases and your bowls, the things that are touching your fragile surfaces like your coffee table and your dining table, and you don't want them to get scratched, because a lot of vases, they're not finished well at the base. So this is a great way to protect your furniture. This is also great for putting on the bottoms of your furniture, your heavier pieces like your coffee tables. Dollar Tree also has zip ties. Zip ties are really great for any DIY things, whether you're you're making like a DIY sculpture or a DIY table, they're always really, really useful, and they have both black and white, so the black really tends to blend in when you're doing projects, which I do appreciate. In this car auto / DIY section, they also have tarps. These tarps are wonderful if you want to do a DIY project inside, if you want to do a DIY project and protect your driveway or your garage or something like that. These are really durable. My grandmother's been using these forever. I use them in my own home because I live in a condo, so this allows DIY to be accessible to me even though I don't have like a designated workshop or anything like that. Now if you move over to the arts and crafts section, they actually have these, which are brand new, that I'm so stoked about. These are disposable oversleeves. Basically you just pull them up your arms and you're able to get like that protection and coverage when you're doing a DIY project in a disposable capacity. And they also have aprons if you want to put on a full apron, but I love that these are disposable, and they do have the disposable apron as well, again if you want something a little bit more full coverage. But this is great for your kids if they're doing projects at home and you don't want to make a huge mess. This is great for you if you're doing projects at home and you don't want to make a huge mess. And I've been talking about these coins for years and I still have yet to actually bring this DIY project to fruition, but let me know down in the comments if you want to see me do this. But my DIY idea for these is to make one of like those framed coins that are really, really expensive at like Restoration Hardware and Ballard Designs, and you can get these coins just from like the party section of Dollar Tree. These are really, really high quality. You can put some plaster over them, which you can get from the car section. You can put some paint on them, which you get from the arts and crafts section. They even have canvases there, which are really, really affordable, and this is a great way to upgrade your look. When it comes to other home items, I also love these cable organizers. Now I'll be honest, I don't love most of the tech stuff from Dollar Tree because I think it's really cheap and it doesn't really work. Like the earbuds kind of give them the same quality as the earbuds that they give you on the plane, where it's like I still can't hear. I'd hear better without having any headphones in. But this is really great because this is the silicone organizer. These are so expensive on Amazon. They're really, really great for like doing your cord management without accidentally kind of ripping the cord or anything like that, because it does have some give. These car hooks are also really, really great, obviously for your car, to hang up your purse or something like that. I don't obviously love the lemons or the oranges or whatever this is supposed to be, but this is a really, really, really good bang for your buck because organization materials at other stores just are so incredibly expensive, and this is a great way to make sure that all of your stuff is not like going everywhere in the back of your car, especially when you're bringing home DIY supplies and stuff like that. I always find that I'll buy something and something will fall out of a bag and I lose it forever because the bags have kind of been thrown about as I'm driving home. So this will keep all of your bags secure, not just your purse in your car. And last but not least, when it comes to like DIY supplies, I love this collapsible basket. This is really perfect for me. I use it for my art supplies because it is collapsible. It does come in 2 different colors. You can put this in the back of your car. You can put all of like your tools and stuff in here and bring it somewhere in case you don't want to bring all of your materials if you're going off to do a project, or you're going like out to the garage or up to a room where you don't need everything. You don't need to bring that big kit. You just need something a little bit smaller and more manageable, and you literally just push in the sides. It's hard to do with one hand. You literally just push in the sides and it is fully collapsible and it doesn't take up that much space. Now let's talk about cleaning supplies, because Dollar Tree has always had really great cleaning supplies. Some of it sucks, some of it's really good. So let's talk about what's still worth buying. Starch is something you always want to have in your home if you are an avid home decor lover, because this is going to make ironing your sheets and your duvets so much easier. You definitely want to spray starch on your items just to make life easier for yourself, especially when it comes to curtains. This is one of the things that kind of saves it for me, because otherwise I would not do it. They have the pink stuff dupes, they have the Fabuloso, just like the basic cleaning products that always work. Dollar Tree also has really affordable cleaning vinegar. Vinegar is great for cleaning your home. I told you guys I have a degree in biochemistry, and something my biology teachers always told me is that if you're going to clean with anything, it should be vinegar. So this is a really great place to get it because it's $1.25 and a little bit takes you a long way. I use it to really deep clean my sink, my garbage disposal, my trash cans, things like that. They also sell these foaming garbage disposal cleaners, and this saved my life. I have the nose of a pregnant person. I always have. I'm not pregnant, but I've always had the nose of one, and this makes my life so much easier because this is the only thing that I really feel like gets my garbage disposal really nice and clean. Otherwise you can like smell food from like 5 days ago, and I hate that for me. And my Dollar Tree even had these dishwasher cleaners by Cascade. Cascade is so expensive. I always wait until it goes on sale on Target Circle or on Costco, but they do have these at Dollar Tree. And how often do you really deep clean your dishwasher? The answer is really not that often. I did a poll over on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, go follow me. But a lot of people said they never even thought to clean the dishwasher before. So a 3-pack is gonna take you a really long way, and you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. And they do also have these drain freshener pods. Again, I really care about the smell of my drain, so this is a great way to just upgrade those little things, and I think that really generally improves your experience at home. And I'd never actually seen this at Dollar Tree before, but this is a sink mat, and something I really don't like about most sink mats, especially the ones that like people sell on Amazon, is that they're completely flat, and it's really hard to get your nails kind of underneath to take it out and clean underneath, and I just really don't like having my fingers on all of that gunk and grime. I find it very off-putting, but this one has really great legs on it. You could fit 2 in a standard sink if you wanted to, but this is a great way to just elevate your dishes, kind of protect your actual sink from all the scratching and stuff from the dishes, because we have the felt pads for our bases and stuff like that, but we don't have that obviously for our dishes and things like that. And these plastic organizers are really great for your desk, your office, DIY supplies, screws, nails, things like that. I do really like the rose gold interior. I think is just kind of like a fun little element. You can see me having fun with them there. You are never really going to beat the price of the Dollar Tree containers, especially since now they come in white and black and clear. They used to only have like vibrant orange, and you're like, look, this is not giving the home edit to me. But now they do have storage containers that are clear, black, and white, so you can have your neutral home edit vibes without breaking the bank. And I'll be honest, I've bought the home edit things from Walmart, and I've bought the ones from Dollar Tree, and I do find the Dollar Tree quality be better, but I do find the overall quality be better at the container store, but who's gonna go pay for that? I'm also a huge fan of this silicone scrubber. I don't remember what section I found this in, but this is really great for your makeup brushes to get them really, really nice and clean. This is also great for cleaning your body. Again, the rubber tends to be a little bit more antimicrobial as opposed to like a washcloth, so it's a really good way to get your body fully clean without having to do as much laundry, which I love. And it's also really good to clean with these. Please do not clean with the same one that you use on your body, but this is also a good way to get your dishes and all of that clean. If you actually want to see more kitchen gadgets that I really, really love, go check out my most recent video. I did a video on TikTok viral kitchen gadgets, because a lot of people share those gadgets, and I'm like, is this crap or is it good? And so I put them to the test. I ordered them off of Amazon, IKEA, places like that, and I showed the ones that I actually really love that I think you'd find useful. And of course, something you're always going to want to pick up from Dollar Tree is a lint brush, not just for your clothing. I don't really care about that, but for your sofa. If you have pets, if you have lots of hair, doing a lint brush on your sofa is really going to bring it back to life. Not everyone needs or wants a pill shaver. This is going to do actually a lot of that work for you. It's going to get up all of that debris and really bring your furniture back to life. And of course, you can use the same one for your fashion as well if you're a fashion girly. And I honestly am very wary of like Dollar Tree essential oils. I'm just going to say it. I don't know what's in there, but I don't know what's in any essential oil, so it is what it is. But I do really like their fragrance sachets for the trash can. Of course, you could use these like in your bed if you wanted to, but I don't like to do that. My skin is too sensitive, but I do like to use them in my trash cans. So if you have a trash can like with like a little area, if you have like a simple human trash can or just literally in the bottom of your trash can, which is what I do, it helps keep the trash can smelling fresh even when there's trash in there, and these last for like a year. But if you don't want to buy the fragrance sachet, if you want something that's going to take you a little bit further, get some Ziploc bags from Dollar Tree or wherever and fill it with the Dollar Tree scent boosters for your laundry, and that is also going to make your trash smell a lot better and absorb a lot of those nasty scents. Now we've talked about home decor, we've talked about DIY supplies, and we've talked about cleaning, but let's talk beauty and other parts of Dollar Tree, because this is actually where you definitely want to be shopping. Dollar Tree has brand name travel size items, so Crest, Dove. I mean, this is incredible. These are so expensive. I just went on a trip recently, I got it from Target. I think I paid around $2.95. This is $1.25 or $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Really standard travel sizes, and these are great for being on the go. So you don't want to pass up on this section. They do have a lot of brands that you're kind of iffy about, you don't know what's in there, but they do have brand names as well, so check that out. Dollar Tree also has this makeup brush holder with suction cups. So of course this is great for your makeup, but if you're a DIYer like I am and you want to keep your brushes organized, this is a great way to do so. And it does have suction cups on the back, so you can stick it to like glass or like a whiteboard or something like that to keep everything really nice and organized. But again, this is good for makeup as well. I wouldn't necessarily pick up makeup brushes from Dollar Tree, but they do sell brands like Elf and Milani sometimes, but this is great for an avid DIYer. I also have the makeup vanishing towel. We have used the one from Amazon for years. This is really great for getting all of the makeup off of your face. Of course, like those Clean Skin Club towels are trending right now, but I think it's like $20-$30 for like the box set. This is reusable, so it's a great way to get your face clean. You throw it in the laundry and you are good to go. And they also sell beauty blender storage. I hate when my beauty blender is kind of like rolling around in my bag when I'm traveling. I'm like, oh, it has more debris on it than if I just like rubbed my face on some trash. So this is a great way to store your beauty blender if you do use one. The price on this is just great. I was in Ulta the other day and I think it was like $5 for one of these, and I was like, wait, but Dollar Tree, I need to go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also has a pill crusher, and if you're anything like me, I'm very bad at swallowing pills. I'd rather literally get a shot than swallow a pill. They do sell pill crushers, so this is really great if you have kids or you're not good at swallowing pills and you want to make sure you're taking your multivitamin, only for pills that can be crushed, okay? But they have really nice little sneaky gadgets like this in the beauty self-care aisle that really do work. And I was even shocked to find this. So this is the brand Yardley. I've used this soap in my life. It doesn't break out my skin. I have very sensitive skin, and they actually have these disposable washcloths, which I think is really, really great for travel. Sometimes you don't want to use the washcloth at the hotel, or maybe you've forgotten to like your soap or something like that. This is a really great on-the-go item. Again, just check out that travel section because it's so much more expensive at other stores, and they have the exact same brands, so you're getting the exact same quality for a lesser price. Something you should always be buying from Dollar Tree, I don't care how much money you have, is party supplies. Dollar Tree party supplies is amazing. It's only gotten more elevated as time has elapsed. They have little burners. They have the best, cutest balloons. Okay, this is a white balloon, but they have textured balloons. They have balloons with like stuff on the inside of them. They have table runners. Please do not spend too much money on party supplies because they actually have the greatest things. They even have good cards. They have textured 3D cards now. I'm one of those people who will buy a card at Home Goods every single time I go there for $1.99, sometimes $5 if I'm feeling, if I've done something good, I want a little treat. I mean, just look at how cute these balloons are. They have confetti in them, confetti in them. Think about how much money that would cost at your local party city. But that's it for today's video. Those were items that you should be buying at Dollar Tree across all different categories, no matter what your design style is. These items are still worth buying at Dollar Tree, even with the price increases. But let me know down in the comments, are you gonna keep shopping at Dollar Tree, or are you going to abandon the store altogether? Be sure to let me know down in the comments. And if you liked today's video, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and come on back, because I have new videos like this every single week. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.